One idea, one platform, and a vision that refused to stay limited to boundaries. What began in Maharashtra soon found its voice on the global stage. London set the tone. Egypt elevated the experience. Each chapter stronger than the last. Each gathering more impactful than before. Lokmat, a powerful media house that connects industries, empowers conversations, and brings together the minds that shape tomorrow.
क्या सपना है कि हम हिंदुस्तान को हम $5 ट्रिलियन की इकोनॉमी बनाएंगे।
महाराष्ट्र ने भी $1 ट्रिलियन की अर्थव्यवस्था बनाने का सपना देखा है।
हिंदुस्तान का सरताज एक ही है स्टेट, चाहे आप कुछ भी बोल लीजिए, वो है महाराष्ट्र।
What's happening in India today is transformational. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that India has got.
Not just events, but movements of thought and opportunity.
मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि ये ऐतिहासिक कन्वेंशन साहसिक विचारों को बढ़ावा देने, सार्थक साझेदारियां बनाने और मजबूत ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी के लिए एक साझा दृष्टि तैयार करने के वास्तव से अपना उद्देश्य पूरा करेगा।
Maharashtra is also on way to 1 trillion economy. We all know that India is growing at a very faster rate, but I believe Maharashtra is the torch bearer.
As of now, one of the most stable economies is the Indian economy. They say by the end of the decade, India should be a $5 trillion economy. For the coming decade, for the next 10 years, to make India into a really super powerhouse.
From Dubai to Singapore, Baku to Hong Kong, and London to Egypt, a powerful network has been built. And now, a new destination awaits. Mauritius. The next chapter of the Lokmat One World Summit and Awards begins here, where leaders don't just meet, they collaborate. Where ideas don't just emerge, they evolve into action.
लोकमत ने आपके इम्तिहान को रिकॉग्नाइज करके उसे मान्यता देके लोकमत हैज ऑनर्ड मेरिट.
Where India connects with the world to unlock new possibilities. An experience designed with intent, insightful conversations, meaningful networking, and an evening of elegance with a world-class gala. All coming together in one unforgettable global gathering. Lokmat One World Summit and Awards, Mauritius. Not just a destination, but the next step in a journey that continues to grow, stronger, bigger, global.